Okay, I don't normally like making short little videos, but I figured I'd make a follow-up video on my last one about doing the mod for this pump. And one of the things that happened was I ordered a kit off Amazon, the Edelmann kit, and it came short with one of those O-rings. And even though I had one and put a new one in, I still wasn't quite happy. So I followed up with the company. Week and a half has gone past, or however long it's been, and I haven't heard anything back. So what I did upon myself, I did some digging through Rock Auto, and I must have just pushed the right magic buttons and did the correct search, because what I found is a perfect solution for this style of pump that I have, that will give you everything. I shouldn't say everything, but will give you the majority of what you need to do the exterior seals if you want. So this is the GM part number here, 158259938. I will also put that in the description below. But here's what it comes with. So this is the old seal, and this one goes around this lip right in here. So there's a seal that rides in there. And so this kit comes with a new one of those to replace the old one. And then if you look here, you have, this is the bottom is the old ones. So this is the large, the two smalls, and then the no ring. So you got one small, one large, and then the O-ring fits in here and fits in this groove there. So this kit from GM will give you the two smalls and that O-ring plus this one, so that you can seal this side with the one O-ring there, the two O-rings here, and the O-ring here. So if I was you, I would not even bother with that Edelmann kit. And if all you're looking to do is just do that little basic seal kit, just pick up this one here, and that one should give you all of the ones that you need to do this. So if you ever have to take it apart, that's what I would do. I don't know how much stock GM has of these parts. It's listed on Rock Auto under the same part number. So if you have an old vehicle, maybe pick up one or two and just kind of keep them stashed away in your drawer, because I think I'll probably pick up another one myself, maybe two more, just to keep stashed away. And that way, if I have any problems, then I have them and I never have to look it up again. So I just thought I'd just do a short little video giving you an update on what I found and a good part number for seals for this. Hopefully that helps you guys out, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.